Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can delete comment on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to leave a comment on my second account's post. So I'm going to go to the search menu and I'm going to search for my second account. Okay, this is my second account on Instagram and I'm going to leave a comment here. I'm just going to type in good and I'm going to send this comment to this post. Okay, and now it's time to switch to my second account on Instagram and I'm going to delete this comment. Okay, where is the comment? Okay, I'm just going to switch it. So I'm going to click on the profile icon and I'm going to open up my second account on Instagram. Okay, I'm going to go to my profile and then I'm going to tap on this post. Okay, and this is the comment I have just added to my post. And if we want to delete the comment, we just need to tap and hold on it and then we will find the delete option here. And just click on delete, and now the comment has been deleted and has been removed from my post. Basically, we just need to tap and hold on the comment and then we will have option to delete the comment. And just remember that you can only delete the comment on your own post. You cannot delete comments on someone else's Instagram post. Let's try to go to this post and then I'm going to tap and hold on it, and as you can see guys that there is no option to delete the comment, so we can only delete comment on our own Instagram post or reels. Okay, all right. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial on how to delete comments on Instagram post, especially on our Instagram post or reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.